Deluxe Materials Laser Cut Kit Glue is designed specifically for the rapid construction of wooden laser cut kits. Its low viscosity formula has several advantages: clean, neat, rapid construction of wooden laser cut kits. It will save time, may be applied before or after assembly. It penetrates bonds and reinforces joints. It is safe and odourless. It bonds wood, card, plastics and painted surfaces and can be painted. And it can be easily cleaned up with water. The Deluxe Materials Laser Cut Kit is supplied with a long-reach needle applicator, cleaning pin and cover to keep the adhesive flowing freely. All stored in the bottle cavity for safe transit. Top tip: rest the glue tip on a damp sponge to stop clogging while working, and wash with water before storing away.